Y'all gonna have to excuse the way I look, just like everybody in town did a few minutes ago. I just got back from running all around town looking like this, but I had to get some stuff for supper tonight, and I have something very important to tell y'all about. But first, let me show you what I got, because y'all always do want to know what I got. And I actually went in person to the grocery store. I got buttermilk and cornmeal because I'm making a big supper tonight. We had some leftover ribeyes the other night, so I'm going to cube those up, put them in the crock pot, and I got to get that on pretty quick with the peas. Because I'm going to do, I'm going to cube those steaks up and put them in some gravy to have some steak tips over mashed potatoes. And I'm going to do some filled peas with snaps, with a ham bone and some bacon grease. We're going to have that with little cornbread muffins. I'm also going to do, I went by Pierce Farms in Clanton and got some of their squash. So I'm going to do some stewed squash and onions. Either that or I'm just going to slice up this beautiful tomato and have just like a sliced tomato as a side. It's going to be one of those two things. Either stewed squash and onions or sliced tomatoes. And I went by my sister's house because she made this for me, and I've been meaning to make some pepper sauce, you know, like you put over your vegetables, or especially collard greens. See, I'm running low. Can y'all see? I wanted to make some so I could show it to y'all. You basically just put peppers in a jar and pour vinegar in it. That's how you make it. But she had some. I'm gonna have to ask her where she got this bottle from. Vanilla Jim Beam. It's not Jim Beam. It's vinegar and peppers. But I got that, and then I'm going to do strawberry shortcake for dessert. Look how pretty those look. I cheated and got angel food cake for that. I'm not even going to make my own Poo Whip. And I'm going to put them in this strawberry glaze instead of doing the sugar and the vanilla. So that's going to be real easy. What else did I get? I got me something for lunch. I'm off today, and I'm by myself. Never mind all that, let me show you the exciting news. After what happened with Sophie and Linda, I was gonna go for a while pet-free, you know. We still got Toby Man. Hey, Toby Man. So I was gonna go pet-free for a little while because Toby is Hannah's, and I got a lot going on, okay? But the cat distribution system had different plans. Last night, on the side of the road, we found these babies, just as hungry as ever. They're so tiny. I don't know if you'll be able to tell by the video. Hey, kitty kitty. Me and Caden's already gave them a name. This one's Biscuit and that one's Gravy. And Caden was like, can we keep them? Can we keep them? And I said, as long as they'll stay, they can stay. I'll take them to the vet and have them fixed. But I don't think I want any more inside cats, so. Oh, I gotta get that dishwasher unloaded. I got a lot to do. I love you. Stay classy.